positive, 0, and negative whole number power, right?
Yeah.
So now we are going to talk about fraction power. Okay? Power is a fraction. Can you give me an example? Which fraction you like? Never mind. 2 to the power half. Okay? So this is positive fraction. Negative fraction. Okay? How do you do this two? So for this one, okay? For this one, power half means square root. Okay? So the power half means square root. So 2 to the power half means square root the 2. Okay? 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 Next. Then for this one, how? This is negative, right?
Yes.
So whenever you have a negative power, what is the first step you write?
1.
1
over.
1 over, yes, 1 over it first, okay? Once you have 1 over, then you just write down 2 to the power half without the negative sign. Because you only 1 over it, right? So next, 1 over is still 1 over. 2 to the power half. Half means square root, right? So the half is already converted to a square root, so the 2 is below. So this is the answer. If you need to use the calculator, go ahead, use the calculator, you get the value. Okay? But we are not going to talk about that. Okay? So next, half is square root. Then what about this? 1/3 cube root. Okay? 1/3 is cube root. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, good. So now what if you have this? So what's the answer for this? So this is 2/3, right?
Yes.
So if this is 2/3, that means you need to split the 2/3 into 1/3 times 2. Because 2/3 is equal to 1/3 times 2, right? Am I right?
Yes.
Yep. So you split, because we only know the power half. Power half is square root. Power 1/3 is cube root. Okay? So we always need to make use of the either the 1/3 or the half. So in this case, 2/3 is we can use 1/3. Are you clear?
Yeah.
So now, once you split the 2/3 to 1/3 times 2, you will do the front here first. What do you get for the front? 3 to the power 1/3. 1/3 is square root, cube root, right?
Yeah.
So 1/3 is cube root. The 3 is below. Okay? So you still have the square, right? Where do you put the square? Before you put the square, you put a bracket. This is the answer for this one. Okay? Can? The 2 and the 2 is outside. 3 to the power 1/3 is cube root 3. Are you clear? Okay? Can I have one question? Can you just read me one question? Give me the B.
Bracket -27.
Okay, bracket -27.
1 over 3.
1 over 3. Can you use calculator? No, I don't think so. So 1/3 is?
Cube root.
Yes, cube root. -27. Okay? So then you can use the calculator, which is -3. Okay? Or if you cannot see, never mind. So let's say you are not allowed to use the calculator, right? How you do it? Then you just ask yourself, -7, which number times itself, you give you -7. Okay? -3 times -3 times -3 will give you this, -27. So you cube root this, you will get -3. Are you clear? Give me the D.
Bracket -3 for 3.
3, 4, 3 and then? Can you see it?
Negative 1 over 3.
Wait. So the 343 power?
Negative 1 over 3.
Okay, good. So you have negative power. The first step you do is
1 over.
1 over first. Then just copy the rest. And then the power without the negative. So power 1/3 is
Cube root.
correct. So you ask yourself what times what itself give you 343. 13? No, 13 is too much. 7? Yep, 7. So in this case it's negative 7. Are you clear? Good, that's how you do fraction power. Maybe we should do one more. Then what? How do you do the? Can you give me the other? Give me these two. B. Square. Cube root.
125.
125, right? Okay. So just now they give you fraction power. Remember that?
Yeah.
This one is cube root. So actually this cube root, right, is equal to 125. What's the power? Cube root. What's the power?
1 over 3.
Correct. So they are interchangeable. Okay. So how? So I'm just showing you. You don't have to do this step actually. I'm just showing you only. I'm just showing you. Okay? You don't have to do this step. How do you do this question? Is 125. You need to think of a number that times itself and times itself. So the answer is 5. Okay. Give me the next one. D. Cube root.
4.
Oh, okay. Okay. So basically this is, yep.
16.
4 square root. So that's how you read. 4 square root. Okay.
16 over 81.
81. Okay, good. So this question, what you do is, can you see that this square root 4 it goes into the 16 and it goes to so in a way you can see it this way. You can split it. Okay? You can split it. If you cannot see it this way, never mind. I'm going to show you another way. So you do 16 over 81. So if you change it to fraction power, what is this? What's the fraction?
1 over 4.
Correct. Can you see once you have this, your 1 over 4 will go to the 16 and it will go to the 81 as well, right? So therefore you have 16 1 over 4 to the power 1 over 4. You have 81 to the power 1 over 4, right?
Yes.
How do you convert this back to square root? How do you convert this back to square root?
So
For the numerator, what do you get? 16? 1 over 4 is
4.
4 square root. Then this one, 81 is?
4 square root.
Correct. So this one will give you 2. This one will give you 3. So the answer is 2 over 2. I mean 2 over 3. 2/3. Are you clear?